Now in this subject we're going to talk about how to create your first gig. Okay, so you simply go here. Okay, um go here. Okay, and let's see, become a seller. You click this button because you want to become a seller, right? So here a gig is bought every 4 seconds, transactions 50 million plus, price range 5 to 10,000 dollars. Join our, growing freelance community, right? I'm a developer, blah blah blah, right? How it works. Create a gig, sign up for free, set up your gig, and offer your work to a global service. How it works: deliver great work, get paid, right? So let's come down. Let's click become a seller. Ready to start selling on Fiverr. Here's the breakdown. Learn what makes a successful profile. Discover the do's and don'ts to ensure you are always on the right track. Create your seller profile. Add your profile picture, description, professional information. Publish your gig. Create a gig of the service you're offering. Start selling instantly. Okay. Let's continue. What makes a successful Fiverr profile? Your first impression matters. Create a profile that will stand out from the crowd on Fiverr. Take your time in creating your profile so it's exactly as you want it to be. Add credibility by linking out to your relevant professional networks. Accurately describe your professional skills to help you get more work. Put a face to your name. Upload a profile picture that clearly shows your face to keep your community secure. For everyone, we may ask you to verify your ID, right? Now let's talk about the things you want to steer clear of. Your success in Fiverr is important to us. Avoid the following to keep in line with our community standards: providing any misleading or inaccurate information about your identity, opening duplicate accounts. Remember, you can always create more gigs, okay? No need to create duplicate accounts. Soliciting other community members for Fiverr, for work on Fiverr, okay? Requesting to requesting to take communication and payment outside of Fiverr. Now, these things, if you do any of these things, your account would be banned, okay? But if you just follow all these things, it's good, right? So here, I'll just write my name, let's say, okay? Say, Shabir, right? Okay. Um, Full name, let's say if I want to upload my profile picture, okay? Be working with, so let's click here and let's see. Okay. Description, right? You write a description. I am a uh, professional, professional ebook cover, cover, and graphics designer, and I love creating high quality ebook covers with covers for my clients. For my clients, I create. Now I'll just go here, okay? Uh, Say I create all my covers with full. I create. I I always make sure my clients are satisfied with my work. Okay, with my work. Let's see. Let's come here and uh, let's copy some of the stuff from here. copy. Right, so you need to add as much info possible, okay? Like a minimum of 600 words, you know. So I offer different kinds of 3D bundle cover, blah blah blah. Right now, everything is manually reviewed here, okay? So you need to be sure what you're doing. So I offer different kinds of services. Uh, I offer different kinds of 3D bundle cover to showcase your product. That includes DVD, blah blah blah. Right, language is English. Now I'm going to click this button. Let's see if I can get one of my pictures quickly. I really don't have any pictures on my computer. Okay, 1 second. Let me take a quick picture. Zoom. Click this button. Upload my picture. Picture. There you go. Right. The picture should be simple, okay?
Yes.
And I'll click continue. Your occupation, right? Digital marketing, graphics and design, okay? Now, how long? Like maybe doing this since 2010, 2020. Choose 2 to 5 of your best skills. So let's say illustration, okay, book and album covers, and what else? Logo design, illustration, okay, and 1, 2, 3, banner ads, business cards, and stationery, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5, right? Skills. List the skills related to the services you're offering and add your experience. So skill maybe cover design, experience, expert, add, right? Add new ebook covers, expert, add. Okay, you see, it's pretty easy, right? It's like you just have to follow the wizard. Logo design, right? Logo design, click here, expert, add. What else? I think that's pretty much it. Banners, banner design, banner ads, expert, add, right? Add new banner, YouTube banner, right? Expert, add, Facebook cover. So let's say Facebook cover. See, people don't have time to do this stuff on their own, you know. So they are willing to pay for this, right? And they're okay with paying $5 or $10 to save their time. And this is where you make a lot of money when a lot of people are paying you for this. Okay. So education, right? Let's say let's select India, right? I'll choose my education, like B engineering, Okay. Okay, anyways, say BE. So my education, where's the engineer here? It's kind of funny. Uh, Bachelor of Engineering, right? Bachelor of Engineering. Cool. So year, let's say whatever the year is, let's say 2013, right? And the certifications, blah blah blah, right? I don't think that's required. I'll click next. Google presence. Now I can connect my Facebook, Google, or social account. Okay, so you can connect that. It's optional. Okay, but the more things you connect, the better your Facebook will treat you. Okay. So I'll click continue, right? Email is verified, phone number, continue and create your first gig. You'll never share your phone number, right? I can add my phone number here, right? So for now, I'll keep it simple. Click this button, you're almost done. A minimum completion of 65% is required to continue. Your seller profile is off to a great start. Take a moment to complete the following steps. Connect your social network, confirm your phone number, provide your education details, provide your certifications, add your personal website, right? Okay, so let's just add my phone number here. So let's say 62. Okay, so I've just verified my phone number and stuff like that, right? So completion rate is 65% by now, okay? So I'm good to create my gig, right? See that?
Yes.
So click
Yes.
finish, right? And now you see all done. Now that your profile is complete, you can get to exciting stuff, creating your first gig. Forgot something? Okay, let's click here. Uh, you can always go back and edit your profile, take our free course to learn what it takes to be a top seller on Fiverr. Okay, so you can go for this free course, right? To understand how you can, be a top seller on Fiverr. I'll click finish, and I am up for my first gig. You see now the gig title, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the title from here. So let's see. I will design an ebook cover box or ebook bundle. I come back and paste that here. Okay. Uh, so I'll just remove the I will thing. So basically, I will is given there by default. Okay. So 80 is the max. Then you select your category, right? Graphic design. Select subcategory. Let's say ebook. Logo design, game art, illustration, book design, right? Service type, book cover design, right? Now you see, now you just need to go ahead and add, select your book genre, right? Like all kinds of books. Like you need to select five, right? So I'll just say, maybe arts and religious, medical, marketing, okay? science fiction. Let's say choose just remove the medical. Let's see. Uh, how to right. So I've chosen this one, design title, right? Select your design title, photographic, typographic. Okay. Design title would be, kind of typographic, right? File format. Select the file formats you provide your basic gig in: JPG, right? PNG, and let's say basically if you're using softwares like that, right? So let's say what kind of file formats are you providing? JPG and PNG. Let's say some people demand PSD, right? So search tags, ebook cover, Facebook cover, ebook, e cover, e cover, right? Cover. Okay, cool. So these tags help you, find your gig. Okay, cool. So 3D cover, text 3D design, 3D logo, book, ebook, okay, fan, Facebook fan page cover, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I click save and continue. Save and continue. See, understand, when you're designing your gig, it's like you're creating a product. Okay, you getting my point? So you have to, take some time. Like, you don't have to be in a hurry that I just want to design my gig, get my first orders. No, you have to put some thought in your gig. Okay, so add extra services, right? Additional basically maybe extra fast delivery, right? So like let's say if you want to extra fast delivery in 1 day, right? If you want to
Yeah.
charge anything for extra fast delivery, that would be, $5 extra, right? For extra fast delivery, 3D mock-up. Now again, these are like, upsells, okay? So
Yes.
basically, and you need to describe your upsells here, right? Just like this person has described the upsell, okay? Basic, right? So I'll copy this upsell here, right? And go back, name your package. So I'll say, basic, come here, right? This is what I'm offering, right? Then standard. So I'll copy this, but you need to be sure what you're giving, okay? It should not be like copy paste, okay? So standard, like basic, say silver and gold, okay? Copy, standard. You getting my point, Everett?
Yes, I am.
Copy and paste this here. Then I'll go back, go to premium. This here, right? So back and spine, so 2D or 3D cover design, right? So number of design concepts, right? So let's say two, maybe one, right? So what you're giving? You're giving 3D mockup, right? 3D mockup, right? And pretty much giving the source file, right? Price would
Cost
be
for
$5, let's say. Source file is the main file. No. Now, for the other one, let's say you can pretty much, select for this one. Maybe you would be giving more stuff, right? And let's say you charge maybe $20 for this one, right? And then you charge $50 for this one, $50 for this one, right? Extra fast delivery. Now, fast delivery. Now, there's an extra fast delivery. There are more options that you can add. Now, click save and continue. Okay. Delivery time can't be empty. Where's the delivery time? Okay, yeah, here. Revisions up to 2. Revisions up to 3. Revisions up to 4. Like the delivery time for this one would be 2 days. Again, 3 days. Again, 4 days. And click save and continue. Changes saved, and then let's see what happens. See, you are providing a literal service, so you have to make sure the service that you're providing actually is something that you will be able to fulfill. You getting my point?
yes.
Right now, I have this thing written here, so I'm going to copy this. So first you have to create, and then you just have to add it, right? So I'll go to the description. I have already created the description. Briefly describe your gig and paste it here, right? There you go. So 1200 characters. I've exceeded the 1200 characters, it seems. Provide your subtitle. Okay. So I need to remove some of the lines, right? Move this. And to get your beautiful design, you need to provide me send me a few samples, right? Then remove this. And frequently asked questions, add questions and answers to your buyers, and pretty much description. So I'll just go back and add this in the description. This line in the description, okay? Understand you are taking your first step towards making a very powerful service, okay? So now I'm going to click save and continue. Okay, that does not require any description. I'm going to click save and continue. Now you can always edit your gig anytime at any point of time. But when you're creating the gig for the first time, here's how bars will see your questions. You can edit or remove questions anytime. Okay.
Yes.
So click save and continue. And there you go. The first gig has been created. You must add at least one requirement, right? Now in the requirement, I just need to add this stuff, um, copy, go here. It's self-explanatory though, okay? To get your beautiful design, you only need to provide this and this, okay? Like a, just remove this part, get it in a form of free text. And there's more options, multiple choices, attachment, blah, blah, blah. I'll click add. There you go. Okay. Save and continue. Okay, build your gig gallery, right? Add memorable content to your gallery to set yourself apart from competitors. Right now, I just need to add some photos, just like these other people have, right?
So where
So,
do you pick the photos from?
either you can, pick the photos from Google, or let's say, or just create them. Like I don't recommend, picking up the photos from these guys, but because it could become a copyright. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll just go to, pixabay, pixabay.com. So I'll just say ebook covers, ebook covers, hit enter. Or other way is to create your covers, create some sample covers. Okay.
How?
Sorry.
How?
Using again using builder all tool,
Okay.
right? So that and then upload them. Make sense,
Okay.
right? So let's say obviously you need to create covers that you need to upload the covers that you can actually um, create, because
Use.
if create for the client, because if you use something and if the client wants that I want you to create this thing for me, it would be kind of difficult, right?
Yes.
So this is the final step where you add your images and then you see publish. Okay, you just click publish and then your gig would be published. So these are all the steps that you need to take. Let's say if you want to upload a video just like the one that other lady uploaded, you can upload that video from here. Okay, make
Okay.
sense? So that's pretty much it for this particular subject.